Apple Watch Series 9 Review. The Apple Watch Series 9 has sparked excitement among tech enthusiasts and fitness aficionados alike. Building on the success of its predecessors, this latest iteration promises several enhancements and upgrades that cater to the diverse needs of users. Introduction to Apple Watch Series 9. The Apple Watch Series 9 introduces a blend of style, functionality, and innovation. It aims to redefine the smartwatch experience, offering an array of features that seamlessly integrate into daily life. 2. Design and build quality. With meticulous attention to detail, the Series 9 sports a sleek design, maintaining the signature aesthetic appeal of Apple products. The robust build quality ensures durability while maintaining a sophisticated look. 3. Display and interface. The Series 9 boasts an impressive display, providing vibrant colors and sharp details for easy readability. The user interface is intuitive, offering fluid navigation and swift access to various functions. Performance and battery life. Powered by advanced technology, the Series 9 delivers remarkable performance, ensuring smooth operation of apps and functions. The improved battery life extends usage, catering to prolonged daily activities. New features and upgrades. Among its key highlights are innovative features like enhanced health tracking capabilities, updated sensors for accurate measurements, and improved connectivity options. 6. Health and fitness tracking. This iteration elevates health and fitness tracking to new heights, offering comprehensive insights into users' well-being. From advanced heart rate monitoring to tracking diverse workout activities, it serves as a reliable fitness companion. 7. Compatibility and connectivity. The Series 9 seamlessly integrates with Apple devices, ensuring a seamless ecosystem experience. Enhanced connectivity options further enhance its versatility. 8. User experience and convenience. User-centric features make the Series 9 a convenient addition to daily life. From quick access to notifications to convenient payment options, it aims to streamline everyday tasks. 9. Comparison with previous models. A comparative analysis with earlier models highlights the evolutionary improvements and standout features that set the Series 9 apart. Pricing and availability. The pricing structure and availability details make it accessible to a wide range of users, ensuring that this advanced technology remains within reach. 1. User reviews and feedback. Feedback from early adopters and user reviews offer valuable insights into the real-world experience of using the Series 9. Pros and cons. Analyzing the strengths and limitations of the Series 9 helps potential buyers make informed decisions. 13. Conclusion. The Apple Watch Series 9 stands as a testament to innovation and functionality, combining cutting-edge technology with user-centric design to deliver an exceptional smartwatch experience. 14. FAQs A. Is the Apple Watch Series 9 water-resistant? Yes, the Series 9 maintains water resistance, allowing users to wear it during various activities, including swimming. B. What are the standout features of the Series 9? Standout features include advanced health tracking, improved battery life, and seamless connectivity. C. Does the Series 9 support third-party apps? Yes, the Series 9 supports a wide array of third-party apps, expanding its functionality and customization options. D. How does the battery life compare to earlier models? The Series 9 boasts improved battery life compared to its predecessors, ensuring extended usage. E. Is the Series 9 worth the upgrade? The Series 9 introduces significant enhancements, making it a worthy upgrade for users seeking the latest innovations in smartwatch technology. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Also, click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned, and see you in the next one.